Hi, if you are serving food in your food truck, your bistro or your cafe, you're probably serving it with some chilled drinks, so you need a beverage cooler. That's one from Royal Catering. So let me just go over some details for you. So this particular model works with 210 watts, so it is quite efficient. It will chill everything down really quickly. It has 278 litre capacity, so it will probably fit whatever you need to serve. Alright, so it has some double glass tempered, of course, doors. The doors are having this really rubber magnetized seal, and of course they close by themselves, so don't need to worry about don't need to worry about it if you forget to close it. They will do it themselves. Alright, the fridge comes with 4 shelves, so you have a total of 5 spaces where you can put your drinks on or whatever you're chilling. Of course the shelves are adjustable, so you can put different heights on them. And well, there's a fan that causes air circulation inside. So let's move up to controls. The controls have a nice display here on the top over the door. You can set the temperature with the dial here. You have a display that shows the current temperature inside, and you have a light switch. So let me show you how that works. There you go. I turn it up and on again. And as you can see, the top display lights up again, and actually that's a really cool feature because there's some space in it where you can put your own banner or your own commercial or whatever advertisement on the top, so that will look really cool in a food truck, let's say. Alright, so in my research I did gather some questions of the internet frequently asked to fridges. First of which is whether you can fit upstanding bottles in it, and that's generally the problem in any gastronomical point, whether you can fit it in. As I said, the shelves are adjustable. Of course you can take one of them out, so it doesn't matter how high the bottles may be, you can still fit them inside and adjust the shelf accordingly. Second question is what the range of temperature on this one is. And it is 2 to 8 degrees, depending on what your setting is up here. So the higher you go, the more it will chill. And of course there's a question whether you can lock the fridge after service. And the answer is yes, of course you can. There's a lock down there. The fridge comes with 2 keys in the set. So basically just press it down, turn the key, and the doors are locked. So after service, you can lock it down and your drinks will stay safe. Alright, so that's pretty much it. I thank you guys very much for watching, and I see you next time.